Ladies and gentlemen, I'm very happy to be here to talk about English through gesture. Xin chào tất cả các bạn. Hôm nay mình sẽ giúp các bạn làm chủ 22 âm trong bảng phiên âm quốc tế Anh Mỹ. Âm đầu tiên là âm Y dài. E, E, please, please, speak, speak, English, English, with, me, please speak English with me. Âm thứ hai là âm Y ngắn. I, difficult, difficult, is, not, difficult, difficult, do, speak, English, it's not difficult to speak English. Âm tiếp theo là âm E, everything, is ready, everything is ready. Âm tiếp theo là âm E bẹp, practice, makes, perfect, practice makes perfect. Âm tiếp theo là âm Á, wonderful, my mother is wonderful, teacher, my mother is a wonderful teacher. Âm tiếp theo là âm ơ dài cong lưỡi, perfect, he speaks, perfect, English, he speaks perfect English. Âm tiếp theo là âm ơ ngắn cong lưỡi, remember, to call your mother, remember to call your mother. Âm tiếp theo là âm together, America, and Vietnam, shoot, always, work, together, America and Vietnam should always together. Âm tiếp theo là âm A, bother, sorry, to, bother, you, sorry to bother you. Âm tiếp theo là âm A dài cong lưỡi, R, charming, you have a charming, smile, you have a charming smile. Âm tiếp theo là âm O ngắn, always, say, please, and thank, you always say please and thank you. Âm tiếp theo là âm O dài cong lưỡi, important, it's important, to practice, English, every day, it's important to have practice English every day. Âm tiếp theo là âm U ngắn, should, you should, work, harder, harder. You should work harder. Âm tiếp theo là âm u dài. U, u. Food, food. What, what. Your. Favorite, favorite. Food, food. What's your favorite food? Âm tiếp theo là âm người năm đôi. A, a, a. Mistakes, mistake, mistake. Don't, don't. Be, be. Afraid, afraid of. Making, making. Mistakes, mistakes. Don't be afraid of making mistake. I, time, time. Is, this, your. First, time, in Vietnam, Is it your first time in Vietnam? Âm tiếp theo là âm oi, enjoy, I really, enjoyed, talking, to, you. I really enjoy talking to you. Oh, hope, I hope, to, see, you, again. I hope to see you again. Âm tiếp theo là âm ow, outstanding, your, outstanding, you're outstanding. Âm tiếp theo là âm ear, clear, it's very, important, to, have, clear, pronunciation. It's very important to have clear pronunciation. Âm tiếp theo là âm air, care. We should, are, about the environment. We should all care about the environment. Âm tiếp theo là âm sure, I'm sure, you will enjoy it. I'm sure you will enjoy it. You will enjoy it. Bye.